In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify password page. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to personalize this important part of your store to better reflect your brand and message to your customers. First, let's dive into the Shopify admin to access the theme you want to edit. Open the Shopify dashboard, navigate over to your online store section, and from there, click on Themes under that menu. On this page, you'll see the current theme you're using listed at the top. Click on the Actions drop-down menu, and from the list that appears, select Edit Code. Don't worry, this might sound technical, but we're going to walk through it together. Once you're in the code editor, look over to the left sidebar where you'll see a variety of folders containing different theme files. What we're looking for is the Templates folder, so go ahead and click on that. Within that folder, locate a file named password.liquid. This is the actual file you'll need to edit in order to customize your password page. With the password.liquid file open, you'll now see the code that makes up your password page. Before you make any edits, it's best practice to create a backup of this code in case you want to revert back. Simply select all the code, copy it, and paste it into a separate document or text editor, saving it for safekeeping. With that precaution out of the way, we can focus on customization. Now, you might want to add your branding elements to the page, such as a logo or specific messages. Look for the lines of code that reference your brand name or any default messages, like a welcome note. You can replace or edit these elements by typing in your own text or modifying the HTML and CSS as needed. If you want to experiment with different styles like font sizes and colors, these adjustments are made within the CSS. Just be cautious in changing any critical lines of code. Another useful tip is to preview your changes as you go along. You can do this by saving your work regularly and then using Shopify's password preview link to see how everything looks in real time. It's a great way to catch any mistakes or make sure everything is lined up the way you want it before going live. Once you're satisfied with the edits you've made, save your changes one last time. And just like that, you've successfully customized your Shopify password page. It's a subtle change that can make a substantial impact on the first impression your store makes to visitors. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you create a more engaging and personalized experience for your future customers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more on all things Shopify in the upcoming videos.